It's never a bad time to get into sales. If you're old enough to work, you can have a successful money-making career. There are, however, some requirements that you got to be aware of. I'm going to share with you 3 must-know tools to be proficient in before entering the business-to-business sales world. Before I share them, though, I've got a free 5-day sales training course that gives you the critical sales skills needed to have a fast start in your sales career. You can get to it by going to www.salesin21days.com. Okay, here are the 3 must-know tools that will give you a fast start in your sales career. Tool number 1 is you need to know how to use email. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people have challenges using their email. I mean, that goes for the basics of how to reply to an email, how to send a reply all, and even how to copy other people in. But wait, there's more. You must know how to schedule a meeting by sending an invite using your Outlook or Google Calendar. If you don't know how to do any of this with email, you better figure it out. Tool number 2 is you need to know how to use Office 365. The 3 most common programs used outside of email in businesses are Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel. You need to know how to use these tools. If you don't have these, no problem. Google has a free suite of their own called Google Docs. It's also referred to as Google Drive. And with that collection, you're in luck. It's 100% the same as Microsoft. So if you don't know how to use these tools, you better figure them out. Tool number 3 is you need to know how to use webinar software. This last one is a new tool that is becoming critical to know. Every meeting for the near future will be done virtually. That means done over video chat, FaceTime. You need to be proficient in starting and running one of these meetings, screen sharing and all, and getting someone up and running in a matter of seconds. My favorite free webinar tools out there are Zoom, Google Hangouts, and Uber Conference. If you don't know how to use these, you better figure it out. When you are confident in these 3 must-know sales tools, you can be confident in knowing you will thrive in your next sales role. They're simply a technology requirement for any salespeople nowadays. You got to learn them. Like I mentioned before, I've got a free 5-day sales training course that gives you the critical sales skills needed to have a fast start in your sales career. You can get to it by going to www.salesin21days.com. It will help you get on the fast path to success. See you there.